Hey everyone, Rogers Motor Cars here. We've got a fun one today. We got this car on trade from a customer here locally. It's a 1983 BMW 320i. This is the E21 body. Got the hood open here, so take a quick peek. This car was restored about 15 years ago. Comes with a big briefcase full of records. I'm talking repair logs, Excel spreadsheet printouts, receipts going all the way into the 80s, restoration notes, emails, brochures, pictures, lots and lots of information. It's organized into tabs and by year, so everything that was done in 1999, everything that was done in 1992, everything that was done in all the way up. So lots of information on this car. It's pretty cool. Bushings, wheel bearings, these Alpina wheels put on. AC was converted to 134A. It's got a great little 5-speed. It's going down like that. All the lights work. The interior was redone. It was repainted. No rust. Just a really cool old BMW 320. A lot of fun for the money. This is a real fun budget car. Really nice inside. I mean, door panels look great. The seats, really nice condition, all reupholstered. A couple of cracks in the dash here, you see. Drives great. Sounds really good too. It's got a nice little throaty, a deep sound to it. Take a look back here in the trunk real quick. Got some extra parts here. Car cover. Here's our briefcase with records in it. Lots and lots of records. I mean, you can see the tabs like interior here on this one, wheel and tire info all back there. This one is project detail sheet. I mean, they were billing. It just is wild. And here's all the records that are stapled together. There's one of the data logs. Just everything you can imagine. Got the original books as well. Original tools are all here. It's real nice. Even these tools are here in the factory. See, there's no rust back here. It's really nice. Nice and painted trunk. Just a cool little car. It's a lot of fun. It's 5-speed. AC's cold. Starts right up. It is fuel injected. Be fun to cruise around town, go to your little car show. You don't have to spend a ton of money, and it'd be a great little conversation piece. Shark nose, front end, very classic looking BMW. Give us a call, text, email. Get back to you quick on these. We can ship this car to you anywhere in the US. Since I've had it, I have not seen any oil leaks. So that's nice. It does have an electric fan on it as well. Help keep things cool. There's a couple areas on the paint that are, looks like the paint is discolored a little. It looks almost like a little bit of a yellowing. You can kind of see here, just full transparency. It doesn't jump out and get you, but if you look at it in the right light, you can kind of see some yellowing there. Just due to age. I think it was painted about 15 years ago. But other than that, there's no cracks in the paint. There's no orange peel, nothing like that. Just a little bit of that discoloring. So anyway, hope to hear from you soon on this one. Go ahead, subscribe to our channel. We got more stuff coming in. Hit the like button. Follow us on Instagram, Rogers_Motorcars. We post a lot to our story there. And I hope to get a deal done with you. Call me with any questions.